Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MPA001 MSC for physics, and this one is the question number 4. We are discussing BABCD and obtain the Fourier sine transform of the function and fx is e to the power minus ax. So in this one, we have to find the Fourier sine transform. Determine the Fourier transform of the normalized Gaussian distribution, obtain the inverse Laplace transform of this one and this one. Using the Laplace transforms, solve the following initial value problem, and you have given this equation. You have to just find out all the answers before. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, 9009368238. You can message us on this number and we provide all the solution on the PDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.